Okay guys, so as you can see right now on the screen that Avasoft is hiring for software engineer, okay, and required qualifications are bachelor and master degree can apply for it, okay. So guys, as you can see, they were hiring for 2020, 2021 and 2022 batches, okay, and salary 3 to 4 LP, okay. So guys, if you are 2019 batch, then you can also apply for it, okay. So guys, as you can see right now on the screen that welcome to Avasoft requirement portals, okay, and simply if you are fresher, just select fresher and click on continue, okay. Okay, after that you can see international quality test, okay. So who can apply? 2020 passing out student, 2021, 2020 and 2019 pass out candidates, okay. So guys, after checking this, simply no marks criteria, okay. If you have less percentage in your qualification, then you can also apply for it, okay. So after checking this, simply click on continue, okay. So guys, here you can see interview process. Link for self-registration will be provided before the virtual recruitment process. Complete the registration to get the recruitment credential. After verification with the credential, receive login and answer the preliminary questions. The first level of elevation comprise of group discussions. Shortlisted candidate will undergo for second round, okay. Interview with senior manager, interview with HR manager, and for candidates selected based on interview performance, okay, and final interview with center head for candidates selected based on HR round, okay. So after checking all this thing, simply click on continue, okay guys. So here you can see employment details, candidate, okay. For employment details, you can see candidate who have been selected in the final interview will provide with offer letters. Candidate who accept the offer will go through the internship for a period of 6 months. In your internship you get 10k per month stipends, okay, and after that you are going to hire for full-time employments and salary 3 to 4 LP, okay. The internship will have an option for the out of internship with 4, okay. So these are not important, okay. Candidate who had appeared earlier with interviewers, okay, so not important, okay. After checking all this thing guys, simply click on agree and continue, okay. Okay, here they will ask for allow your camera, so here you have to allow the camera permission. After that, simply start filling the form. After here you have to first capture your photo, okay. After that, fill your name, middle name, last name, select your gender and date of birth, email, phone number, job titles for which role you are hiring, trained engineers, okay, and fill your college name, do you have any disability, and Aadhaar number, and simply upload your Aadhaar card in the PDF JPG format and size 1 MB. And after that, fill your contact details in which you have to fill your address, state, city and your city code. After that is the current address same, if same then just check yes, and after that additional details, how did you hear about us, okay. And after that upload your resume and simply click on register and register for it, okay, and simply apply for it, okay. If you face any problem, you can do comments, and you can also join our Telegram channel for more such job updates, okay. So both the apply link and Telegram channel link given in video description, so check the description for more information, okay guys. And also before submitting the form, make sure that you are rechecking your form so that there will be no mistake, okay guys.